now.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to another Secondlife tutorial. Yeah, I know I haven't turned mesh yet and I still look completely noob, and I do apologise for that. Yeah, he's not the best looking guy on Secondlife, but will do. Anyway, so if you can hear some noise in the background, this is going to be a tutorial that someone recommended I do. I'm not the best scripter, so please don't do everything, like ask me to script anything weird, but I can do some basic stuff. You start off by raising a prim. You can come over to the content tab and click new script. You can double tap that or open it when it works. There we go. You don't need a touch. All the touch does is let me show you. Let me get me local down here. When you touch the box with that touch thing in, it will just say touched. You can keep that if you want, but you don't really need it unless you're making a light or something, which I will do. If you want another tutorial, then let me know. Delete everything from before. Just anything after the LL up to the bottom closing colon thing, which I've never understood. Okay, the first thing you want to do is keep the LL and do a capital S and a capital T. You don't have a space when you're scripting, and the capital letters let the script know where you want the new word to begin, so make sure that you don't do a capital E there or whatever. The next part of it is a bracket, as I said, no spaces. Then we'll do a speech or quotation mark and type whatever you want, like T the C gamer box, and then close it. Then you do a comma, again no spaces, and do the sharper turned brackets. Yeah, no, I never know what these are called, and I probably should look it up. But there's 3 numbers here. The first number here is the red, over here is green, and yeah, no, I just accidentally deleted the red. And this one over here is blue. They're all worth different variants, so you can make it red, green or blue writing. So if we do that and then finish with another comma here, then do 0.75 because I want people to see, but I do like it slightly transparent, and then close the bracket and then do a semicolon at the end there, enter, and close there, and click save. As long as you've got this in it to show it's done it, it should all work. Oh, I forgot about that, my bad, it's because I'm ahead of myself. There we go, it worked, and as you can see, if I close that now, it's got red writing. You can change the colour, as I was saying. If you take the red down to 0, you can have a blue writing, say, just put a 1 there, click save again, and there it's changed. So it's not too hard, you can mix it up. That's how you get various colours, by doing, if you want pink, you can do 1 there and then change the blue to something like 0.5, click save again, and there you got pink writing, even though it still looks a little bit red. You definitely a lighter shader at least. So yeah, that will conclude that tutorial. The basics of it is just make sure that you got default at the top, open bracket here so it knows where it is, the type that you want, so the state entry, which is if you read it or if you want something on it. open open and close the bracket, open the other type of bracket, do what you want, make sure that you've got the LL there and the semicolon at the end, they're very important, and make sure there's no spaces, and that you've got capitals here, just so it knows. If you don't do the capital T there, I'll show you, it'll just error me again. Name not defined, and if you did do something like a capital T and a capital E by accident, again, name's not defined. So make sure that you have got everything specifically typed, and that is basically it. I hope that you'll have a great day. If you do need anything else, then let me know. If you want to learn another script, like a light script, then let me know in the comments below. It's been a pleasure working with you all again, and I want to thank you all for being here watching this. And if you, and yeah, I'll delete that just because it's general politeness in a sandbox.